Wait, please. पंखा बंद कर. Residents who are owning properties within the scheduled area may not be protected under the Constitution, but insofar as the forum for adjudication is concerned, and the civil courts would have jurisdiction. We direct the parties to appear before the High Court on 20, because on merits it had not been decided. On 24th of August 26. It's a jurisdictional issue. Please, basically we have settled the law.
Your Lordships have settled. I'm very grateful.
Hope it will go a long way. Thank you.
Lordship, I beg to make an analysis mentioning, my lord, sir. It is about the Lordship order on Monday, my lord, sir. It is a fresh matter. Lordships have asked for the parties to file joint affidavit. It has not been served also, my lords.
No. Is there some mistake in the order?
Yes, my lords.
What is it?
Lordship, it's a fresh matter. The respondents are not in caveat, my lords. The Lordships have ordered, in the court, your Lordship have dictated that to list on Monday, my lords. In the order, it is, Lordship, can you see the para 1, my lords?
If the parties file a joint application, yes?
They are not a party. They are not represented by any council. No, none of their statement has been recorded, my lords. It's a fresh matter. No notice is also issued, my lords.
Yeah. Naveen, kalti hoga.
Lordship,
we'll correct it. We'll see what the order.
oblige, my lords.
May I please, my lords? My lords, I'm mentioning for listing of a matter, my lords.
No.
My lords, may I please submit one difficulty?
That's the prerogative of Honorable the CJ.
May I please, my lords, this matter, my lords, I'm an impleader, my lords. The mentioning branch is not taking up my mentioning, my lords. They're saying you have to mention because the impleaders cannot mention the matter.
Sorry?
I'm the impleader in the matter, my lords. It's
Sorry.
this matter, my lords, pending for
Sorry.
last 1 year, my lords. Please, my lords.
Sorry.
My lords, there's a direction of this lordship to mention the matter 3rd week of February, my lords. May I at least show this, my lords?
No, it has been released as a part-heard matter.
My lords, it's listing only for
It is
listing
a
matter.
it has been released as a part-heard matter. It will become before appropriate bench. Chhod dijiye.
My lords, both Mr. Brahmpal Singh, the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Hapur, my lords, and Mr. Kumar Gyanendra Singh, my lords, SSP, are here, my lords. My lords, we lordships had very kindly permitted us to withdraw.
Yes, sir.
We have the affidavit of apology. There is nothing we
No,
could.
we want to know who's this judicial officer.
My lords, the officer is here. He has a standing of 9 years, my lords. And
He-
this is the only mistake that has happened in his judicial career, my lords. And my lords, we have an affidavit of apology if your lordships will permit. There is no way that this can be justified. We have had, my lords,
But he has justified that.
my
Again.
lords, no, my lords, our lordship may take this affidavit. We will withdraw that. Lordship may,
That is a different aspect altogether, but the position is
yes, my lords.
why we had given him another opportunity.
Yes, my lords.
Earlier also he had submitted his
Yes, my
representation
lords.
and his explanation.
Yes, my lords.
We had given this opportunity, you had withdrawn
Yes,
the
my lords.
DGP's affidavit.
Yes, my lords.
We had given him purposely an opportunity
Yes, my lords.
so that he can come forward and put forth his position with regard to the apology. See his apology which he has given in his explanation.
My lords,
Have you seen that text?
yes, my lords. My lords, that is why my lords, we had a discussion. Your lordships had also told me to speak to him, though the High Court lawyer represents him, but my lords, he's here. I am here on his behalf also. Your lordships may, my lords, because there is no way, I really beseech the majesty of your lordships court. I can assure your lordships, this is the first mistake. The order was there in the file. We can't,
This is the first mistake which has come to the knowledge. Otherwise, he would have done so many others.
no, my lords.
If he has that audacity to pass such orders on the teeth of the order which is brought to his notice, had it not been brought to his notice, the things would have been different altogether.
My lords, on that also, his submission was that the council actually brought an order, never gave it. Anyways, my lords, I can't justify. The order was there in his file.
Lords, if I sum,
Officer
order
who had
was there.
assisted him
Yes, my lords.
The officer who was arrested him was made aware of that.
My lord, it was there in the judicial file also, my lords. That is why there is no way that it can be justified.
Let us put it like this.
Yes, my lords.
See, we spend lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of money in giving training to our judicial officers.
Yes, my lords.
The click of the button, even if the order was not with him,
Yes.
he could have immediately checked up the official website of the High Court, Supreme Court, and ascertained what the order was.
Yes, my lord.
It was brought to his notice. And he's an officer with a standing of 9 years.
Yes, my lord.
We don't want to come in anyone's career growth and progression, but at the same time, my Lord has put it
Yes, my lord.
that he is obstinate. It is not that he is not well informed, not educated, not aware of the consequences. He's a doctor, mind you.
Yes, my lord.
So it is an affront, nothing else. Now, you tell us, even today, my Lord rightly put it, that we saw your affidavit, you immediately withdrew the affidavit, DGP withdrew the affidavit saying that yes, see, he may be a crook, he may be having the worst of the case, that we will deal with it. But when this court granted interim protection to him,
Yes, my lord.
then none else could have said that, sorry, we ignore the interim protection and we put him behind bars only because an NBW has been issued against the officer.
Yes, my lord.
And this is the officer who had issued NBWs, mind you.
Yes, my lord.
This is the very officer who had issued NBWs.
Yes.
None else. So he knew what the matter was. He knew the import of the order. And Article 144, as last time we brought it to our notice, we had to deal with it.
Yes.
Everyone is bound by it, including ourselves.
Yes, my lord.
And he is a judicial officer of standing of 9 years, which is not a small period.
Yes, my lord.
And as my Lord put it, that this is the first mistake which has come to our notice. Once we seek his explanation, and through the High Court, and he gives that explanation. He says, no, I'm all right. I've done in accordance with law. Very well, no difficulty. Another opportunity given. He says, no, I've done in accordance with law. Let him face the consequences. Then. Let him face the consequences because we have to put our house in order. If we can seek the explanation of the DGP of Bihar, of Uttar Pradesh, then why not our own officer? You tell us that.
My lords, he is before your lordships. All that I wish to, my lords, tender is his affidavit of apology. Yeah, the magistrates, he's here. The affidavit of apology is here, my lords. Your lordships may.
No, but
Because I'm
at least
representing-
there is another aspect which is very disturbing. If you could have para 1 of his explanation.
Because that explanation, I'm sorry, I wasn't here when it started. We are withdrawing that affidavit, my lords. I'm withdrawing.
Why?
I'm
How does
withdrawing.
he add words to the order?
I bowed.
See that.
I have drafted, my lord, I personally have drafted an apology affidavit yesterday, my lord. We could not file it. I'm placing this, my lords, for your lordships. Just, if it satisfies your lordship's conscience, just for a moment.
Why did he file this affidavit, please?
Just please have a look, my lord.
Mr. Dave, this is,
It is, my lords. There is no doubt about that, my lord. Just please.
why did he file this affidavit?
Yes.
The explanation sought, understandable, where he puts words,
There is no
and
explanation.
then despite opportunity given, he filed this affidavit.
Because there is
And
no.
now today you stand and say, sorry,
No,
sir, I want to
there is
withdraw.
no explanation that can
is
be
no-
afforded. I had spent time with him yesterday. I mean, though he's a higher in rank as far as I'm concerned, my lords, but it was, he got a real blasting. Just please have a look at this affidavit if it satisfies your lordship's conscience.
Question is not this.
Just
We
for a
don't know
moment,
what his track record is.
There is no explanation. Just have a look. We couldn't file it, my lords. We didn't want to take time or something. So I've got it prepared. I've got it drafted. Just for a moment, my lords, in the same fraternity, my lords, just please have a look at this. Instead of, there is no explanation that is offered. It's withdrawn. The earlier one, it just says that I have committed a mistake. I'm very sorry. There is no explanation, and it's not, there's no explanation that is possible for it. And if forgiveness of your lordships is what is asked for. Just please have a look at this, my lords. I'm sorry I wasn't here because some other matter got called out, my lords. Otherwise, I would have been here. I've been instructed, my lords, by the High Court itself to assist your lordships, my lords.
You are appearing for him or the High Court?
No, the High Court asked to assist your lordships, my lords, because they are concerned about it. They've even indicated that they may take some administrative action against
So what action has the High Court taken?
No, after your lordships are, they will take, my lords. I spoke to the concerned judge who's in charge of the litigation committee, my lords. He has asked that they will take some action against him. It can't go unpunished, but they will do it. But something falling from your lordships, my lords, is the end as far as his career is concerned, though he deserves to. But if one mistake, my lords, if that can be pardoned, just please have a look at this affidavit, my lords, if it satisfies your lordship's conscience. Just one, or I can file it, my lords, your lordships may have a look. Either of the two situations, my lord.
We don't want to come in someone's career, sorry, but we don't want him
Yes.
to spoil someone else's career.
Yes.
Please, this is what he has done.
Yes, ma'am.
He has curtailed the liberty,
Yes.
the most precious right under the Constitution,
Yes.
by sending a person protected by this court
Yes.
behind bars.
I bow down.
How does he compensate to that person?
I bow down, my lords. I bow down. Just please have a look.
No, this is no way.
I bow down.
And
There-
the
and
High
that
Court
is-
cannot come in his way, come in the way of passing our order. And
No, I'm not. I'm not coming in your lordship. That power is, of course, your lordships are. That order has not been complied with, and it was an anticipatory bail. To send somebody in custody after anticipatory bail is just too shocking a matter, my lords. I bow down, and that explanation made it worse. Right? I don't know what made him write that, and what was he thinking, my lords. I can't understand.
Mr. The way sidetracking the issue, we'll tell you what is happening. Shocking now, our lower judiciary is the way they are functioning is absolutely obnoxiously shocking. In one case, we are dealing now every day in and day out. Can you imagine? A principal judge, family court, sir, family court judge, a petition under 13(1), ma'am, you will tell you, a petition under 13(1) cruelty filed, and he's a family court, huh? Mind you, he's not a
He's quite-
senior. So he says that, cruelty is not made out, but because parties have been living separately, so therefore, under 13B, I exercise my power and annul the marriage. This is exactly what is happening. Uttar Pradesh again, if I correctly remember that. Uttar Pradesh again.
No, my lords. My learned friend, I were assisting your lordships in another combination with Justice Maheshwari with a Delhi judicial officer also. There had been some transgression by him also.
Now look at this. See, we don't know where we are, what we are heading for. Where are we going?
In the majesty of your lordships, my lords.
Wait. Kadzu says in his opening line, Jesus says, let my justice be tempered with mercy. We remember that. Day in and day out we do that.
Yes, lordships are
We remind ourselves. Not that we render...
Lordships are kind. If he had only come to me before offering that explanation, my lords, there is no way that explanation would have come on record.
The High Court should have actually...
They are contemplating. It's not they are not they are contemplating. It's not that they are keeping their hands off, my lord, but since the matter is on the judicial side pending before your lordships, my lords.
As far as the officers are concerned, they need not remain present. The police officer need not remain present. He will take leave and come again. We will simply adjourn the matter. On his asking, we will adjourn the matter. Without saying anything, we will simply adjourn it. Let us see what he does and what the High Court does. We'll simply adjourn the matter. We'll have it after a week.
And please allow me to replace the.
We are not saying anything. You file everything in writing.
All right. It's in writing.
We are not saying anything.
Lordship, please, my lords. It
We are
is
not-
in writing, it's drafted, it's ready.
We are not saying anything. You please move. Whatever you want to do, you may do.
I'm grateful, my lords.
You are the High Court. Whatever you want to do, you may do.
Lordship, please.
Please.
I'll convey the sentiments, my lords, then the High Court take, and I'll inform your lordships whatever the action that is being.
Whatever the officer wants to do, we must appraise him. He has a right of being represented through a counsel of his choice. Well, he has to choose whether he wants a counsel or not. You are not his counsel.
No, my lord.
You are only the counsel of the High Court.
Yes, my lord.
Whatever he wants to do,
Lordship.
whatever the High Court wants to do, they may do so.
All right.
No difficulty. We'll have it on this Friday. Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Please.
We have interacted with the. He may be having the worst case. We'll deal with it on merits. We'll dismiss it. No difficulty. We may have committed an error in granting interim protection. You bring it to our notice that we committed an error, and we'll immediately take him to task. No difficulty.
He can't bring it to your lordship.
No, he means the
The
state.
whole hierarchy, my lords, of
No, what we are saying.
collapse. It will just collapse, my lords.
No, what I'm saying is he means the state. State may say, sir, they have no case on merits. That's the end of the matter. We'll dismiss it. But once when we pass the
No
order,
doubt, my lords.
though we are familiar, but we read out deliberately 144 of the Constitution,
Yes. All authorities are bound by your lordship's order, my lords.
including ourselves.
Yes.
We have interacted with Mr. Kamar Gyananjay Singh, Superintendent of Police, is present. So also, what's his name?
Dr. Brahmapal Singh, my lords.
Dr. Brahmapal Singh, Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, District Court, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar. We have interacted with them. लिखवा देना है. We have interacted with them. Shri Kumar Gyananjay Singh need not remain present on the next date of hearing as jointly prayed for. We'll say as prayed for, list on Tuesday.
Lordship.
So whatever you want to do, you may do, please.
Convey, my lords.
And you have taken action against the ASI.
We'll do it, my lords.
They have taken action against.
Grateful, my lords.
Grateful.
Grateful to your lordship. ये आपका इसको है.
Your Lordships, this is a contempt petition for the respondent's breach of undertaking, based on which a conditional bail order was granted. On the last occasion, the respondent was directed to be present and for a compliance affidavit to be filed.
Your Lordship is present, Your Lordship. I
So-
filed an affidavit in the morning, which may not be on record.
No, what do you want?
Your Lordship, I would require 6 months' time to comply with the directions, Your Lordship. I've explained my difficulty, Your Lordship. There were two directions. One was to transfer the land in the name of the complainant, Your Lordship, as per the agreement. And second was payment of rupees 2 crores before this honorable court, Your Lordship. As far as,
But you have now tell us what is that your affidavit?
Your Lordship, I will be able to fulfill those two conditions in a period of 6 months, Your Lordship. That is my difficulty.
Why?
Your Lordship,
Why?
after,
We'll send him handbars.
Your Lordship, may I please explain, Your Lordship?
Order is of 2024.
Yes, Your Lordship. I was in
Okay.
custody. I was in custody for about 90 days, Your Lordship. Then this honorable court was pleased to grant me bail, Your Lordship.
So we'll send him handbars again.
Your Lordship, may I please just
Gentlemen, we are very clear. We are very clear. We are not extending time. If you want, show your bona fides by doing either of them within 1 week. We are very clear. Otherwise, you'll go back to jail.
Your Lordship, may I just make a submission, Your Lordship?
We'll recall our order.
Your Lordship,
In fact, it has not been made absolute. Ah. Okay.
days, Your Lordship. Give me 15 days, Your Lordship. Give me 15 days, Your Lordship. I have filed. I just wanted to.
Order is of 2024.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You were supposed to do it within the time which was granted.
Your Lordship.
You had not done it, and since then also you haven't done it.
Your Lordship.
Until today, it's not complied with.
Your Lordship.
So you, in any case, after the dismissal of the SLP, you are supposed to be going back to the gallows. You go there.
Your Lordship, give me 15 days, Your Lordship. My only request is my properties are with the bank, Your Lordship. All my
What can we do? Your main SLP has been dismissed.
Your Lordship, the order, Your Lordship,
Now it's a contempt.
Your Lordship, I'm only trying to tender my explanation, Your Lordship. All my properties are with the bank. As far as the transfer of land is concerned, Your Lordship, it is in process. I had to give him land in the second phase of my project. I have sought for permissions. As soon as I get permissions and the plot is developed, I will give the plot to him, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship,
I
apologies
am,
for interjecting.
my difficulty is my financial condition, Your Lordship.
Your
I
Lordship,
have recently got a stay from the High Court on the proceedings under SURFACE. My properties were being auctioned, Your Lordship. I have no assets, Your Lordship. As soon as I'm able to dispose of my properties, I will deposit that money and also develop the project and give, Your Lordship. Not that I have given it to somebody else. And I have documents.
We are not concerned with that. We are concerned
Give me
only
some
with
time.
the undertaking which you have given here.
Your Lordship, give me some time. Whatever Your Lordship feels reasonable, Your Lordship.
No, reasonable. We are saying he should have been 2024 and 2026. You should have straight away let him go behind bars. No problem.
Your Lordship, this delay is not deliberate. My only intention before this court is to explain how, Your Lordship.
Your
It
Lordship,
is not
the
deliberate, Your
undertaking
Lordship.
was made on his own
All
volition.
What are you saying?
So apologies for interjecting, Your Lordships, but the undertaking was made on his own volition. Even before the trial court, when we approached for cancellation of bail, he actively contested it, offered no explanation or as to any bona fide attempts which he made in compliance of the order. The delay is willful and deliberate, Your Lordship. It's a clear breach of undertaking.
We find the acts of the respondent in not complying with the orders passed by this court to be willful. Full stop. However, indulgently, we give him a week's time to comply with the order in letter and spirit, failing which we shall not refrain from taking appropriate action against the contemner whom we find to be in willful default. Full stop. We clarify that such action would also contain sending the contemner behind bars. Next week.
Your Lordship, I may be given 15 days, Your Lordship. It would.
No problem, we'll give you 15 days. At this stage, Saab ka naam likh lijiye, states, under instructions from the contemner who is present in the court, states that the matter be adjourned by 15 days for compliance. No problem.
Great.
Granted.
Your Lordship.
No problem. He's the one, na? So he understands English, na? Ask him, he wants the order to be changed, we'll change the order, no difficulty. Because we have said under instructions, no difficulty.
Please forgive me, give me some more time.
We are not interacting with him. Has he understood or not? Because then we'll recall that on part of the order.
Your Lordship,
Because you said 15 days, he's standing there, so therefore we recorded that.
Your Lordship, my instructions are.
So therefore we have only
Affidavit.
recorded your instructions.
As per the affidavit, Your Lordship. But 1 week would be meaningless.
We have said
Your
15
Lordship.
days.
Yes.
15 days, we have said that.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Take care.
Grateful.
Hamza could notice, my lord.
No problem.
Malas, item 3, act for the petitioner, Malas, seeking just 1 week to file rejoinder, Malas. They have stated some 12 antecedents in Andhra Pradesh, Malas. The client is in to verify it, Malas, because the local council said there are no antecedents.
what
Malas, there is
for?
only 1 antecedent. But they have the NCB has filed 12 antecedents, Malas.
Sorry,
Malas, just one.
light to this court. We are letting it out
Verify
lightly.
whether it is true or not, my lords. That's all, my lords. Plus,
Thank
no,
you.
in Andhra Pradesh, my lord. Let me verify, my lord. Give me that time alone, my lords. My lord, that may be, my lords. Let me verify, my lord.
When did you
Let me
receive the
verify whether it is
counter?
correct. Give me the post it on the
When did you receive the counter?
Monday, my lords. Monday, my lords.
When did you receive the counter?
Last week.
No, it was released on Monday, my lords.
We are not living in Mars where
Okay.
we don't have
Spoke
access,
to
no?
local government
Thank you.
Tuesday,
Thank
my lords.
you. If they have filed a false
Monday, my
affidavit,
lords.
you
Monday.
file contempt. We'll hold them up. Don't worry. Next case.
Wait, please. Lordship, I'm seeking regular bail. The person has served around 8.5 months. I'm conscious of the fact that there have been loss of 2 lives. Your Lordships, my request is
Notice.
bail.
Lordship, I am
May be
the,
permitted to serve.
They're there. They're there.
Yes, there's someone appearing on caveat also, Your Lordship.
yes, Lordship.
David, he'll accept.
I am on behalf of the state.
So there's
There's someone.
There's
I am
someone
appearing on
Reply
the
within-
caveat.
Reply 2 weeks, rejoinder 2 weeks.
grateful.
Sadhu.
Your Lordship, just one request. He's formally not party here, so I'll modify.
Just give the particulars. No,
Yes.
give it here.
I'll-
So and so is implemented as party responder number.
I'll just do that. I'm
Yeah.
grateful.
Amended memo within 1 week.
Yes, I'm grateful.
Yes, madam. The petition.
हाँ, वो caveat पे है ना, details caveat से रहना.
The petitioner is in judicial custody from 5/7/2025. The 3 witness has been.
Notice.
I am deeply obliged.
Accept notice on the behalf of additional standing
Very well.
for the state.
Reply 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
I am deeply obliged.
My lord, this is that in-camera matter, my lord. In chamber matter, my lord. In chamber matter, my lord, where the parties have been trying to settle. My client is here, but I'm not aware of the petitioner, my lord.
Lordship, I am appearing on VC. It's 4 chambers late. Let the matter be taken up.
Party here? Is your party here?
Yes, Lordship, my party is also in court itself, but not currently in the courtroom. Lordship will fix any time. We'll come for the chamber matter, in chamber hearing. I'm
You
for
ask
the
them to
petition.
be there by 12 o'clock. I think we'll finish our miscellaneous board by
Grateful,
that time.
grateful, Lordship. Grateful,
Very
grateful. Grateful.
12 बजे वो खुलवा देना कमेटी रूम को.
Lordship, item number 7. There is an order against the respondent for paying
Yes,
17
yes.
lakh. The only instruction that I received was that his mother expired on 18th of July. His father is on dialysis, so he is present on VC. Rest he would submit on his own what
Yes.
he wants to address to the court. I am only.
Then what we'll
Ji,
do is
बोलिए
we'll
आप.
issue notice to him. Yes, yes, Mr.
Salaluddin. He is Salaluddin.
Now?
Yes, Mr. उनको unmute
मैं माफी चाहता हूँ माई मदर कुछ दिन हुआ डेथ हो गया और फादर 80 साल का है. वो हफ्ता 2 दिन डायलिसिस चल रहा है. उनका हालत बहुत खराब है. तो कब क्या होगा हमें मालूम नहीं है. उनका देखभाल खर्चा हमें करना पड़ता है. इसलिए हम दिल्ली जाना नहीं पाया. हम माफी चाहता हूँ. मैं
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
इनकम का मेरा रास्ता है, मेरा नगरी. माय लॉर्ड, थोड़ा हम माफी मांगता हूँ. इतना रुपया हम दे नहीं पाऊंगा. अगर हम थोड़ा कम की कर देता हो तो हम लोन करके वो पेमेंट कर देता। थोड़ा 1,30,000 रुपया हम दिया है उनका, और हमको थोड़ा मार्सी मांगता है, हम थोड़ा मार्सी मांगता है, थोड़ा काम कर देता है, थोड़ा काम कर देता है, तो हम लोन करके उस दे देगा।
नहीं देखिए, आपको पैसा तो देना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा समय और दे देते हैं,
मतलब
यही हो
थोड़ा
सकता
कम
है।
कीजिए।
2025 का दिसंबर का ऑर्डर
थोड़ा
है।
Point out,
महिला
अमाउंट कम नहीं होगा,
कम कर दिए,
अमाउंट कम नहीं
कम
होगा।
कर दिया, हम लोन करके वो बस कर दिया। हम
देखिए आप
देता,
अभी किधर
पेमेंट
हैं,
कर देता।
आप किधर हैं अभी?
थोड़ा कम देते महिला।
Where is he?
वर्धमान।
Malas, he is a high school teacher, Malas. He is getting a salary
No,
of
where is he? Where is
more
he
than 1
posted?
lakh.
Where is he posted?
Yes,
Miss Sadhna, where is
West
he?
Bengal, Malas. He is a high school teacher, Malas.
Miss Sadhna, where is he?
He's in Burdwan district.
वर्धमान डिस्ट्रिक्ट है ऐसे।
हाँ, आपको देखिए अगली डेट पे कोर्ट में आना है, ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि आपने कोर्ट का उल्लंघन किया है, तो यू आर इन वायलेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द कोर्ट, सो यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट हियर।
महिला, मेरा पिताजी का हाल बहुत खराब है, तो थोड़ा कम कीजिए, हम पेमेंट कर देते हैं।
आपको देखिए एक मौका और दे देते हैं, या तो आप बेग बोरो स्टील, यूर गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, यूर सर्विंग और यूर टीचर, you pay the amount, and the amount is not charity, it is to your wife only, and you have to pay the amount, otherwise we'll send you behind bars, we are telling you today. आपको when will you
15
come?
दिन का टाइम हम दे देंगे, 15 दिन का टाइम।
हाँ, आपको एक
मांगता
हफ्ते
है।
का 2 हफ्ते का टाइम दे देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि 25 का ऑर्डर है ना, आप 26 हो गया है।
Malas, may I point out one thing, Malas? Direct the respondent to file his salary slip so that it can be assured what amount he is getting monthly.
No, we are made it clear. We are
Malas,
interested.
I leave it to I leave it.
SK Salahuddin, respondent, contemner, is present through video conferencing mode. We direct him to remain physically present on the next date of hearing. Prima facie, we have the view that he has committed contempt of order dated 2nd of December 2025, passed by this court, order dated 2nd of December 2025. So we caution him that if before the next date of hearing he does not comply with the order, we shall not hesitate in sending him, in initiating appropriate action, including sending him behind bars. Respondent to remain present on dash, Ms. Sadhna, who was earlier representing him, stands relieved.
I'm grateful, Malas.
Lords, we filed the written submissions, Lord. But on the issue of
That I was representing him in the capacity of the advocate on record, and even as of now, I am advocate of record in this.
We'll discharge you also, no problem. लिख दीजिएगा, stands discharged.
please. Lords, I filed my written submissions, my Lord. My Lord had asked us to address the issue of legal necessity. My Lords, in that context, my Lords, we'll just have one document, my Lord, which is the sale deed in question at page 49. My Lords, the sale deed expressly records that it's been executed for the family necessity itself. Now, my Lords, in the plaint, there is no averment that this recital is incorrect. And my Lords, the sale deed, in fact, is witnessed by 5 elders. That's also, my Lords, will just find a little lower at page 51. And my Lords, it's in fact witnessed by the brother of the plaintiffs. My Lords, that is one. My Lords, apart from this, in the evidence of the first plaintiff, my Lords, it has come on record at page 87, my Lords, that the house was in fact purchased, a new house was purchased from the same consideration. My Lords, the only ground on which the High Court reverses the finding is that I did not make any inquiries. My Lord, that's also factually incorrect. In fact, my lords, my witness says that the record of rights was in fact perused by the defendant. My lords, that will find at page 91 of the SLP.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord, that is the basis on which the High Court reverses the findings. And my lords, he has seen the record of rights, which is there, my lords, which is an undisputed document. So, my lords, my only request is, my lords, that the trial court record be summoned. And my lords, that we can address the question a little more with some more clarity. And my lords, there is a judgment of
one submission, Your Lordship, before, since my learned friend referred to the sale deed, it does not say that it's a joint family property. He actually sells it as if in a manner, okay, it's his own property.
Let him argue.
Please, Lordship.
My lords, apart from that, my lords, there is a Vipul Kumar.
See, your submissions, when you prepare your submissions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You're working with whom?
Lord, I am the AOR.
Oh, you are the AOR. We request you to file, improvise your submissions.
I'll do that.
Huh? You'll only say that. 6, adjournment to enable him to file revised written submissions.
My Lordship, fix a date.
Some date will be there.
Obliged.
Malords, 9 is that matter, my lords, where against the order passed, my lords, in appeal by the High Court, 2 reviews and, my lords, 1 SLP is filed within a span of 3 months. The first review is dismissed, my lords, by the High Court. The SLP, your lordships, are dismissed. The SLP is dismissed, my lords, here.
I have a request on behalf of Mr. Nadkarni, my lords. He is leading me. Today he is under the weather, my lords. Though he has come to the court, but for a part heard, my lords. He has said that if they can start, my lord, they can argue. For our response, if your lordships can keep it any day next week, my lord.
My lords, I
You start.
Very good. My lords, can I just hand over a...
We'll keep it next week.
Grateful, my lords.
Because I'll just hand over a 2-page list of dates and a 2-page submissions on my arguments. Because my lords, your lordships will just appreciate, my lords, what the...
Yes, please.
My lords, please have serial number 1. My lords, the Sitaram, who is the original owner, executes a registered power of attorney in favor of Mr. Noman for the said property. In 1998, my lords, this power of attorney is cancelled. Then, my lords, in 2000...
Mr. Malhotra, 10 minutes, please. Rush up.
My lords, this power of attorney is cancelled. Despite that cancellation, my lords, that suit land, my lords, is sold to a third party. Then that, my lords, third party, my lords, further sells that suit, my lords, to 6 other, my lords, subsequent purchasers. Now, my lords, please have serial number 6. The Chinta Singh, my lords, files a civil suit. That is at serial number 6 in 2007. In 2016, the trial court, my lords, decides the suit against. That suit is dismissed. In 2016, my lords, at serial number 8, first appeal is filed.
Serial number 9, my lords, in 2023, the Honorable High Court, speaking through the Honorable Appellate Judge, allows the first appeal and holds that the PO is non-est-in-law. Since once cancelled, you couldn't have sold the property further. Now, my lords, please have serial number 10, 11, 12. After the High Court allows the appeal, serial number 10, my lords, legal layers of 4 to 7 file a review. My lords, next month in June, my lords, the 3 subsequent purchasers, R12, R13, R15, they, my lords, file an SLP.
No, we have seen a list of dates.
Yes.
Now, after coming here to this court, serial number 20 onwards.
Yes.
Then, in fact, 18 onwards, we have seen it.
Yes.
Now,
my lords,
whether a review was there or not is the only.
No, my lords, the issue is, my lords,
Let's see the law. Let's see the law.
yes. My lords, whether second review, first review, I'm not going on that. I am saying, my lords, a detailed order passed by the appellate court is set aside in a review, my lords, despite there being no error on, my lords, apparent on the face of the record, neither on facts, neither on law, no mistake, my lords, no self-evident error, and a detailed, my lords, reasoning. By detailed reasoning, my lords, the entire facts, evidence, everything is appreciated. Now, my lords, please.
This Arun Dev is by Her Ladyship, Honorable Justice Nagaratna.
Justice Vikram. My lord, this is Justice Vikram Nath.
Okay.
Yes.
And this
My lord,
Malleshwari?
Malleshwari is by Justice Amanullah. This is, my lord, better. If I may just, my lord, show, my lord, just one para of that. What is the power of that review? But, my lord, please have just one, the third page. Third page I have culled down, my lords, that how, my lords, how this, my lords, review petition has been dealt with, my lords. The entire appeal, my lords, has been reheard. Please have the third page of the written submissions. Then I'll just come to those 2 judgments, my lords.
Anyone of you have SCC here? SCC here? Honorable Justice Nagaratna has also delivered a judgment on second.
My lords, I'm sorry, I think then we...
It doesn't matter, we'll do our own.
My lords, if your lordship will just see the third page, that's my limited argument, my lords. Third page of my note. At the top, my lords, review can be done to correct mistakes or errors apparent on the order. My lords, page 3.
Okay, we have heard Mr. Malhotra. Mr. Mishra? We have also heard Mr. Pinakim Mishra first.
Yes.
Mr. Malhotra second.
I was going to say that. No.
On
My lords, my
request for accommodation is made on behalf of Shri
Kunal Verma.
Nathkarni. List on when? Tuesday?
Whenever your lord.
Monday? Or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
List on Tuesday.
On the third page, I have culled down the paras of the review petition, malas, where they have gone beyond the scope of the review.
We'll see that. Just take out Honorable Justice Nagaratna's judgment.
Malas, we'll get that on the next.
Tuesday. Pathad karni. Pathad.
Right, please, Your Lordship. The matter is coming up after notice, my lord. Both of us are in appeal, my lord, before Your Lordships.
Yes, sir. We can dismiss both of them.
Madam.
I think that will satisfy both of you.
Something to be said in my matter, my lord.
No problem, then we'll admit both of them, whatever you want to say. Better for we dismiss it because both of you are here. We don't know what will happen ultimately. Dismiss.
Would Your Lordship hear me? Would Your Lordship hear me, my lord? He is only on the question of interest. I am on the main matter, my lord. With your...
No problem, leave granted, no problem.
Please.
It's a money decree, deposit the amount here.
No, pursuant to Your Lordship's order, I have deposited the money.
Entire amount.
Not the entire amount.
Subject to the petitioner depositing, Inca petitioner, in KSLP, depositing the entire amount, entire decretal amount, along with up-to-date interest, within a period of 4 weeks. No, don't say subject to. The petitioner is directed to deposit the entire decretal amount, along with up-to-date interest, within a period of 4 weeks from today. Failure would result into automatic dismissal of the SLPs.
No, then give me some more time, my lord.
Grateful.
Instead of 4 weeks. my lord.
How much time you tell us?
Give me at least 10 weeks, my lord.
10 weeks? No, okay, no problem.
My lord, I have deposited certain amount, my lord.
Whatever it is, the total entire decretal amount, the amount already deposited, of course, needless to add, the amount already deposited shall be deducted.
Decretal amount as per the High Court judgment, my lord.
Already deposited shall be reduced from the total amount to be deposited. That's it. The auto renewal mode may come in.
No, decretal amount as declared by the High Court, my lord.
Decretal amount.
Because the High Court has modified it, my lord, with only for the interest, my lord.
Decretal amount
Yes.
as awarded by the trial court, modified by the High Court.
Grateful.
That is the decretal amount, na?
Grateful, my Your Lordship, granted
Grateful.
even
So your lordships are granting leave in both matters.
Leave both the matter.
Very well.
His matter will be dismissed if he doesn't deposit.
Yes, sir.
You can.
We are only here on the aspect of interest, your lordships, on the reduction of interest. That's otherwise.
In fact, I don't know why he's not. Should you have a change of mind, go out, take instructions. We'll dismiss both of them. That's the end of the matter.
I'll take it.
It is in your interest.
Safer.
Safer.
I'll
Go out and come back.
Yes. We're just passing it over.
Please.
Very well.
Lord, I have filed my reply to the probation officer's report. Let me just have the probation officer's report for a moment. Lord, saw on the last occasion, they have applied some government resolutions.
Report.
Yes, my lord.
It does not fulfill the.
Yes, my lords.
mandate.
They're trying to apply some GRs which I never sought the application of.
Let fresh report. Under the provisions of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958, we called for from the concerned probation officer within 3 weeks. As we are not satisfied with the report already submitted by the probation officer. It is not to say the least, it is not in consonance with the spirit and letter and spirit of the law. The reliance placed by the probation officer is on the government resolutions, which are not even applicable in the case of the present petition.
Grateful.
May it please. 12 is to be taken up with 33. 33 is fresh. We have also challenged this order, my lords, because otherwise you would have been left same order.
As we suggested in 10.
On 33, I'll accept notice, my lord. I'll file a counter affidavit. I'll let the matter be kept on a Friday, my lord.
Why Friday?
You are for whom?
I'm for the commissioner, my lords, the Pune Municipal Corporation, my lord.
No, but the service is not complete. Core 3 and 5. Are you there?
In 3 and 5, in this matter, in the first matter, my lords, 3 is Ashok Kumar Mishra and Narendra. They are directors of the bank only. They are directors, my lords.
But not served.
They have to serve in 12.
Former respondents.
Then we'll give them up.
We'll give them up. They're chairman and managing director and executive directors.
But in mine, I'll have to serve them, my lords.
They must have resigned by now, my lord.
In 33, I'll have to serve.
We are talking about 2010, my lord.
Notice correct. 33 then.
You will accept, your will accept notice.
Their other matter. I'll go that side for the petitioner, my lords.
No, you are the Commissioner Municipal Corporation.
Yes, my lords, yes.
In your case,
yes, my lords.
We see that the parties are.
Yes, my lords. The same parties.
Just 1 minute. Where's your memo?
My lords, it's at page. Just after the order, my lords, it's at page 14, my lords. Your lordships will find it at page 14.
Bank of India. Are you for Bank of India?
I'm for Bank of India, my lord.
You will appear for Ashok Kumar Mishra also?
My lord, I have to take instructions on that, my lord, because notice has not been issued.
No, 1 minute. Who's
India
for
might
state of
notice-
Maharashtra?
Maharashtra, this is fresh because I don't know anyone appearing.
No, we'll just solve it.
Lordship.
Just 1 minute. Enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 1. We notice that respondents number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the officers of the respondent number 1 bank.
My lord, they're
As
not
such, we
officers,
request
my
him.
lord.
Directors.
But
Sorry,
number 2 is
ma'am.
a chairman. cum
1
managing
minute, 1
director.
minute. Our functionaries ka diye.
Directors, my lord, because the issue is directors.
Our directors, chairman. है ना?
Chairman and directors.
Chairman and directors of respondent number 1
Executive
bank.
directors.
Sir, functionaries कहते हैं उधर functionaries of the respondent number 1 bank. We request him to enter appearance and in any event appraise them of the pendency of the present petition should they choose to defend the proceedings through another counsel. Simple. It shall be open for them to do so.
Grateful.
Now, state of Maharashtra का हाजिरी लगा लीजिएगा जो standing counsel होते हैं.
There.
You're there. So in this service is complete now.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the first one, we noticed that unserved respondents number 3, 4, and 5 are the functionaries of the petitioner bank, and as such they are transposed. We'll transpose them.
Lordship, please.
Transposed as petitioners. Then state of Maharashtra का हाजिरी लीजिएगा. Then you appear for whom?
That's Pune Municipal Corporation. Commissioner in the first matter, my lord.
Commissioner in the first matter.
Respondent 1, sorry. Respondent 1 in the first matter.
ठीक है? Let pleadings be exchanged in both these matters within 3 weeks.
Lordship, please.
3 weeks.
Lordship.
Lordship, may keep it for 1 week, my lord. It's not much.
No problem. 1 week.
Common order.
1 week. No problem.
The contract will do it. 1 week will do, my lord.
No problem. 1 week. 1 week. No problem.
My delay, 137 days delay.
Condone.
In items. Obliged, my lord. Grateful.
Obliged.
May it please, your lord.
Please.
The absolutely perverse order passed by the High Court. High Court says the commissioner passes an order in his favor only on the count, in my favor, only on the count there was a status quo. That your lordship would see page number 4, para 5.
Just give me a friend.
And now your lordship may please see the commissioner's order, page number 123. It says that he has played fraud. And that's the reason why there is a cancellation. Please have a look at page 123 for a moment. May I give a brief background?
Please do.
Yes. What happens is this. All those people who were in the Sindh region of Pakistan, after 1947, they were so-called displaced person. They came and settled in India, various places. They came in Ulhasnagar. Now, for those people who came and settled here,
My lord, I have much to say on this. In my respectful submission, this is an absolutely correct order, and I'll demonstrate it. I made a chart. It will take me 10 minutes to show it to you, lord.
Can we do one thing?
Yes, bro.
Can we grant leave and list it for hearing in
My lord, there's
September?
a stay against me. So, my lord, now having succeeded, and my lord, the last line of the impugned order itself says that regularization application can still be considered. Now, this is a person who has bought from a person. No, I'm just trying to answer. This is a land which is bought. This trust is bought it from a person who did not have regular title. This trust does not have regular title. I have been granted this alternative land, and I was granted by 2 parcels. In respect of 1 parcel, up to Supreme Court, I have succeeded, fully succeeded. In respect of the other also, I must succeed is my respectful submission. You can't have that for 1 parcel, I will succeed, for another, you will succeed. So that's why I made a chart. So if your lordship were to take it up even next week, or I'll just hand it to you. Yes.
Only next week we have to adjudicate that.
No. That's why I thought today your lordship at 12 o'clock had a matter. That's the only reason. Otherwise, my lord, I'll do it today itself. No problem.
What we are saying is if it requires to be.
I'll take only 10 minutes. Whichever day is convenient for your
it will take around 15-20 minutes.
So,
15 minutes.
Mr. Chaudhary, dismissal will take 1 day, 1 minute. But if we have to write a judgment,
Where?
then it'll take time.
Yes,
That's what we are saying.
Yes, your lordships are right. It'll take.
Why should you speak when we were
where-
saying that
where-
we'll admit it and then post
where-
it in September?
Where?
We said that.
Yes.
My lord, may I just place this before lordships, my lord?
Yes.
Prior to 1965, Tekwani and Girdhari Lal the claim to be in possession of these premises. Now, my lord, these are the predecessors of the present petitioner. Now, my lord, 74, Tekwani allegedly becomes sole possessor of subject property while we have deed of resolution between so and so. Then 82, screening committee took a decision where it refused to regularize the possession of Girdhari Lal in respect of property. Also, area was quantified to so and so. That Tekwani applied for regularization of the subject property under Displaced Persons Act, stating possession prior to 65. And then, my lord, 85, without this regularization being granted, petitioner trust purchased the property from Tekwani, though no regularization done till date. Then, my lord, petitioner applies to the SDO requesting reconsideration of Tekwani's pending regularization applications, no regularization approved till date. Then, my lord, in 2019, one other person, Soni Jagasi, filed this writ petition before the High Court, challenging grant of alternate lands to me. I am R5 to R7. Then,
To this.
No, I'll tell your lordship. My lord, please see, my lord. Kindly have a look at page 120.
No, just one.
I'll tell your lordship.
You have purchased this property.
I'll tell your lordship.
Sir, 1 minute. Just allow us to first put a query.
Yes, yes.
This list of dates says two things. We don't know right or wrong. Unless you refute this list of dates, the first 5 dates, we are putting this query to you.
Yes.
You have purchased this property from a person who has got no right, who has no title. How do you sustain? How do you say that the order is not sustainable?
Yes. My lord, now may I say something?
You may do one thing.
Yes.
We'll have it next week.
Very well.
Put a straight answer to us.
Very well. Very well. Your
If
lordship,
you are able to explain to us,
yes, yes.
you are
very
you will succeed.
Very well.
If you are not able to explain this to us,
Yes.
then
Yes. Very well.
we are very
We'll also
clear.
prepare a short note and then give it to you.
Correct.
Very well.
Because the point is very simple.
Yes.
That you are a purchaser from a person who has got no better title than the other person.
Very
Simple
well.
as that.
Very well. My lord. I'll explain it to your lordship and I'll show my lord what has happened to him also. Very well. Your lordship,
What
may
has
have
happened to him is a different matter, but how does your right accrue?
I'll
That's
show
important.
both the sides' rights, my lord, and I'll tell your lordship.
Correct.
Next week. Your lordship may have it next
Your lordships may have it whenever. Next week. Next, whenever it's convenient.
No,
Whenever it's convenient to your lordship.
you want it after 23rd? No difference.
No. I
No,
wanted
you
next
want your lordship.
I was saying next week, any convenient date. I'm not saying after 23rd. That's what next
No,
week.
because we are not attached to any brief. Let us be very clear.
I know that, you know. I'm just.
List on Wednesday.
Very well.
Wednesday.
I am so obliged.
But item 14, my lord, I'm extremely sorry for inconvenience to lordship, my lord. In this case, the respondent booked the confirmed ticket on 22nd July. There was a marriage of his daughter, and where he was infected. Now he is suffering, he was hospitalized because of the food poisoning, and so he could not come, my lord. I'm requesting just to accommodate, it may be listed the next week or any convenient date, my lord. Kindly see, he booked the ticket, your lordship. Oh. He is suffering from food poisoning, my lord. So it was not possible for him to travel to Delhi. But the local advocate is here, my lord.
Your Lordship, they could have informed us about that, Your Lordship. The mother has travelled all the way from Hyderabad, Your Lordship, for the hearing. And the last order was very apparent on it, Your
I
Lordship.
tendered my apology at outset that I'm sorry for inconvenience, but this is beyond the this was the situation beyond the control of the respondent. But we don't want to
Okay, no problem. Tuesday,
Monday.
Tuesday.
Can't be on Monday, my lord.
Why?
But Tuesday, I'm.
Wednesday, no problem.
But then 17, my lord.
Wednesday, no. Wednesday. Wednesday, and she will pay the travel expense, or travel expense.
But no problem, we'll do that. But
How did
can
she
you put
come?
it on 17, my lord?
No.
Well, she took a flight yesterday, my lord. She, in fact, cannot afford to take another flight. Well, she,
No, they'll bear all expense. What is the expense tell?
Yes, but the flight ticket was 15,000, your lordship.
Whatever it is, we are not putting it part of the order. Okay. The respondent.
There's a small request also that she should bring the child also, so that your lordship may interact with the child.
Sorry. The respondent is not present. Shri Kadri has explained the circumstances for his absence. So let the respondent remain present on the next date of hearing. ये Wednesday दे दीजिएगा.
Could it be placed on 17, my lord? Because he may be.
No. Let the expense for travel, and a petitioner's expense for travel and lodging and boarding shall be borne by the respondent. Both for today's visit as also the for the next hearing.
But may I just request to put on 17?
नहीं 17 क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप?
Problem is that he is suffering from food poisoning.
Food poisoning क्या होता है? What is food poisoning?
Food poisoning, you lose your.
What happens in food poisoning, sir? Kadri साहब कमाल कर रहे हैं.
Your lordship, may I be permitted to appear through VC on the same day?
No.
And afford my tickets.
No, let her come.
no, she can come, lord. She's also come from Hyderabad, my lord. So
I am the lord.
she's also local counsel from Hyderabad. She's come with her. Lord, she's requesting if she can join through VC because she can't afford her tickets also. Lord, she's.
This we can't direct.
I mean, she can come through VC, Mullahs. I'll be here physically if Mullahs permits, but
That is our call. We can't say anything.
Take a call on.
But in case your lordship
We have no problem.
interact with them in the chamber, but in case your lordship interact with them in the chamber.
We'll do that, na? Don't
Yes,
worry.
sir. So our presence will not be required. That way, we can appear through VC.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Next. No, he has to come.
No, he will come. Interacting in chamber means his presence is must. I'm
ठीक
not
है.
saying that.
ठीक है, next case please.
Yes.
कादी साहब आप भी कमाल करते हैं. आपसे बड़ा मीडिएटर कौन है? आप ही समझे सुलझा दीजिएगा इस मसले को.
great.
आप सुलझा क्यों नहीं दे सकते?
हाँ सुलझाइएगा ना. क्या है इसमें? कुछ भी नहीं है.
बहुत आसान है. The order itself is very balanced, sir.
Sorry. कादी साहब आपसे बड़ा कोई मीडिएटर नहीं है. और कोर्ट हैज फुल फेथ इन यू.
Get the opportunity if lordship is.
No, we are requesting you. Court has full faith, despite you being a counsel for one of them. Full faith in you. Resolve it.
Very well. I'll attend.
Like, so grateful.
Obliged.
Pass over कर लें.
Your Lordship, in item number 16, I am appearing on behalf of respondent 3. Mediation has failed.
Failed?
Yes, Your Lordship. We wish to file counter in this.
Request mediation. We inform that mediation has failed. Counter within 2 weeks. Rejoinder 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, in item number 17, limited notice was issued regarding the settlement.
But
I
am for the petitioner,
Lordship. I am in little difficulty. I will address some.
No, sorry, it has to be this mediation has failed. It was limited notice.
Lordship, kindly consider one thing. So kindly
It was
consider
a
one
case
thing.
for limited notice, sir. Thank you.
During the mediation period.
Thank you. Thank you.
Item 18 also, Lordship had issued notice for mediation. It has failed.
Failed.
But Millard's undertaking twice, Your Lordship, he has undertaken to pay and he is not paying.
That's all I dismiss.
Your Lordship, my humble submission
Let
is.
him comply with the.
Next case. Next case.
Oblige me.
Mediation has failed in the same.
Failed. It was limited. Who's for the 19th? Who's for the petitioner? We'll just pass it over. No, baat aa gaya. Pass over.
Item 20.
Lord, in this matter, mediation is successful.
It is settled, my lord.
Settled and they.
And may I say, my lord,
agreement.
the installments, 6 installments are to be paid. If my lords may please may keep it pending and may post it in January. That is the last installment to be paid.
Where is
I think
where is the
mediation report is attached as per the office report, my lord. Lord, page number 5, para C. Provides for the settlement amount and the installments as agreed by both the parties. Page 5.
My lord. 1/5 installment will file joint application that was agreed under Article 142.
No, we are pending. You file your application.
And then, my lord, give me liberty if they fail. I can.
That of course is there. Problem. Your marriage was solemn is to be annulled, na?
My lord, they are staying separate for 14 years. My lord.
That's all right. Let parties have. We have perused the settlement agreement dated 5th of August 2026, duly signed by the parties and their respective counsel before the learned mediator. Report of the learned mediator, naam bhi aa jayega, perused, her efforts put in are highly appreciable. Let parties file a joint application within the next 2 working days.
My lord, joint application, may I submit that he'll be paying the installments. So,
Gentlemen, we will record that part of the undertaking,
my lord.
dissolve the marriage, decree to be drawn up upon the payment. That's the simple solution.
On the date of last payment.
That's right. Correct. Within
As-
next 2 working days.
My lord, that will be too early because he'll be traveling from Devaria. Allow me at least 1
Devaria
week.
kitna dur hai?
Allow me 1 week's time. Not more than
Okay,
only 7 days.
Next 4 working days.
My lord, 1 week's time. I request kindly. I'll have to
Working
get
days
that
is 1 week only, na?
as my lord. As
In this case, the mediation has failed, madam.
Sorry?
Mediation has failed in this case, madam.
Failed.
We've also filed a rejoinder on record.
It's a limited notice, ma'am. Thank you very much.
But they had filed a counter on merit.
Not required.
Then direct the High Court to consider on merits.
Thank you.
Decide on merits, my lord.
The High Court is bound to do that. Next case, please.
Your Lordships, on mediation, Your Lordships, it's failed, Your Lordships.
Failed. Thank you. Thank
Your Lordships,
you.
kindly, for a moment, Your Lordships.
Limited notice. Thank you.
My lord, one request.
Dismissed. We have dismissed it. No? We have dismissed it.
Dismissed, your lordship made an observation, complies that to lower court order of payment of the interim maintenance.
That's all. Now we have dismissed it.
He never complied it.
Then go and file an execution there, no, sir?
But I'm seeing a Passover for respondents.
Passover. Hurry up. Make Passover.
Item 24, my lord, may some more time be given for mediation because both the party could not join the mediation in Chhattisgarh.
Mediation is in progress. Fail हो गया? Mr. Shukla, you were saying
Both the party could not join. So if it can be, my lord, say, given further time because my friend is also here.
mediation has failed. Then
It's a report, my lord.
as per the report of the
24
learned mediator,
Actually, non-starter is the mention, my lord, at the end.
the mediator has reported that the process of mediation could not start and was closed as quote non-starter. Admit kar diye. Then parties jointly pray that parties jointly request that the matter be again referred for mediation. Let the parties appear for the learned mediator on dash.
Please, my lords. My lords, the short issue in this question is regarding the minimum educational qualification for recruitment to the position of nursery school teachers. Your lordships had noticed while issuing notice, had observed that the para number 11 and 13 of the impugned order of the High Court records, your lordship, that the state had consciously prescribed a higher threshold than the minimum criteria prescribed by the NCT. If your lordships can have page number 5 of the SLP.
Yeah, we have seen it.
Yes, your lordships. So, your lordships, the RTI information received by us, which reveals the file notings and the legislative intention while incorporating the Chandigarh rules.
I'm for respondent number 9.
There is no stay. We have said that appointment and selection shall be subject to the outcome.
Give me 1 minute and I will be able, whatever your lordship decides. May I draw your lordship's attention to page 52, section 17(4) of the NCT Act.
Yes, ma'am.
May I read? If an institution offers any course or training in teacher education after the coming into force of the order withdrawing recognition under subsection 1, or where an institution offering a course or training in teacher education immediately before the appointed day fails or neglects to obtain recognition or permission under this Act, the qualification in teacher education obtained pursuant to such course or training or after undertaking a course or training in such institution shall not be treated as a valid qualification for purposes of employment under the central government, any state government or university, or in any school, college or other educational body aided by the central government or any state government. So, no college can impart any training without recognition.
Okay, leave granted. List hearing expedited, be listed in the month of November.
Good.
Obliged.
My lords, in this matter, the mediation has failed.
1 minute, which case?
Item 26, I'm appearing for the petition father. Lordships, this had been referred to Justice Ravi Kumar. And he tried Justice
C.T. Ravi Kumar.
C.T. Ravi Kumar. It had been referred for mediation before him, and though he tried his level best, the mother was reluctant to let the child spend the night with us. And ultimately that has failed. The mediation has failed. The lordships will find his proceedings.
Why? What was the hurdle? Why did it not fructify?
She did not agree to have the child stay with me even for 1 day, lordships. So if your lordships recall, the trial court had permitted me to keep the child with me from Friday evening to Sunday evening for 2 weekends a month. I challenged that order because I wanted more access to my child. I'm very attached. 7 years we have lived together. I have, bathed him and been a very hands-on father. We were together in Germany. And suddenly I have been thrown out.
You will have to agree for,
My lords.
it is not a taboo. Let us first understand.
My lords, it is not.
Gentlemen, 1 minute.
Yeah.
70% of population in India, including us in this court, are suffering from some trauma. And therefore, we have to evolve ourselves with the changing socio-economic environment. And acceptability, acceptance from within, and from the society has to be there. The scars have to be taken out. So there is no help in seeking an expert. It is not a taboo.
My lords, may I submit?
You need, even we need counseling, counselors, counseling. Even we as judges are counseled. So a child who has, if at all, some scars, why should mother be reluctant?
It's not that, my lords, see, they have filed a very long, I think 70.
छोड़ दीजिए ना उसको.
File a counter to this if you want, if I can submit, because I am a new advocate in this matter. Kindly allow me to 2 weeks time to file counter.
Don't put, she'll withdraw this affidavit.
No, the thing is, they have filed certain things which are part of the.
They are withdrawn. Proceed further. They are taken off from the record. Proceed further.
Yeah, because this. Yeah. My lords, we are open to any of the processes that my lord suggest us, but it cannot be one-sided. That is the only thing.
Obviously, it cannot be.
The whole issue, the whole core issue arises from the matrimonial dispute, not just from the custody of the child.
Correct.
In fact, they have filed only the IAs. The actual guardianship petition is pending before the district court, Secunderabad. It is still to be decided. They have come on the interim order passed by in that particular case, and before they come to the Supreme Court after going to the High Court. So still the matter is to be decided. If they really want the custody, they should file Section 12.
We are only trying to find a solution.
Yes, my lords.
Because decisions will always come.
Yes, my lords.
And it's always to be decided. Ultimately, the court will proceed and decide. The intent is to bring about some solution so that the things work out properly for the child. We are interested in the child.
Yeah, but
we are not interested in any of your parts.
My lords, if I may submit, it has to be not the partial solution. It has to be total solution. There are
a beginning.
It is the divorce petition which is pending. We are open. We had made a proposal, in fact, during the mediation proceedings. We have not disclosed because that we cannot disclose as part of Section 22 of the Mediation Act.
We'll do one thing.
Whereas,
no, we'll modify our order. We'll say mediation and conciliation before the very same judge. You have any?
My lords, actually, let me put it. We cannot afford, afford paid mediation. Kindly refer it to the Supreme Court Mediation Center.
They will pay.
Kindly refer it to the Supreme Court Mediation Center, my lords.
Since Justice Ravi Kumar has already dealt with the party.
You bear the cost. No, now
my lords, we cannot
we'll
afford.
again refer it.
Yes, yes.
And all costs will be borne by you.
We bear the costs. Yes, Your Lordships, absolutely. Yes.
My lords, kindly refer it to the Mediation Center. That would be better.
Another honor, suggest any other name.
It can be from the panel of.
I suggest any other retired judge.
Not just my lord, because the problem is sometimes we cannot afford.
They are taking care of your.
I don't know whether
they are.
We will pay the
expense. My lord, the husband is unemployed. I don't know how they are paying.
They will pay. How are you concerned? Will be part of the order.
My lords, but let me take the instructions. Give me some time, because I do not know personally any retired judge. My lords can suggest, but
we will tell you.
City Ravi Kumar.
The last of the judge who is retired is Honorable Justice Pankaj Mittal.
My lord.
Prior thereto is Justice
Pankaj
Mittal.
Fine.
Prior thereto is Justice Maheshwari.
Pankaj Mittal, fine. We have no problem.
We are in your lordship's hands. We only suggesting, since he has spent a lot.
We know that, but now they
at the cost of the petitioner, my lord.
Refer for the mediation and conciliation of Honorable Justice of Pankaj Mittal. Kar dijiyega. Or expense shall be borne by the petitioner.
And
in the meantime,
it has to be
can I please at least have him for the weekends, my son? Because
my lord, we resolve the old issues, including the divorce petition.
The longer I'm
all issues arising.
To resolve all the issues.
All issues arising out of matrimonial discord.
Yes.
Lordships, may
My
at
lord.
least consider 2 weekends, because the longer I'm alienated from him, Your Lordships, the
Go
more
before the honorable judge before the mediator, consider it on Monday.
very well. And maybe Lordships can empower the mediator.
No, my lords.
Whatever order.
My lords,
seems
the
of
mediator has to work as per the Mediation Act. This is my submission, my lord.
तो it shall be open for the वो जो last order ना हमारा counselor वाला वो
There is one, my lord, they should withdraw the additional, that affidavit they have filed, additional document, A3, because that is violation of the section 22 of the Mediation Act.
What is A3? I mean,
They cannot bring any document
file a reply.
from
Exactly,
the,
file a Pravan
because
order.
that is violation. May
at this stage seeks permission to withdraw. At this stage seeks permission to withdraw the affidavit.
Very well. But Lordships may just empower the
My lords,
to pass
it has
that
to be
order.
better
Come
Mediation
back
Act.
after.
Because Lordships, as an interim, otherwise.
Better you come back after.
Very well.
Grateful, man.
What is this mentioning?
Lordship, an item.
Why are you mentioning in between?
No, Lordship, actually I am in court 10, my item is
What?
going on. In meanwhile, item.
You wait for your turn.
No,
What is this mentioning?
It will come.
You should finish.
It will come. Grateful, my lords.
Item 10, your lordship had asked me to give. Lordship may grant leave.
Grant leave, no problem.
Sorry, Lordships, only as a last request. In the month of May, Justice Ravi Kumar had an arrangement of 3 hours, 3 days a week. At least that arrangement can be continued in the interim.
My lords, this is a phrase.
Arrangement made thus far in the earlier round of mediation shall continue to be enforced.
Very well.
My lords, but it has to, with a view to resolve all the issues arising for the matrimony. Because they should not just focus.
Next case.
No, we have said everything, that even the divorce also we have said.
Until the mediator.
Lordship passed earlier that.
Order leave granted.
And your lordship directed me to deposit.
Correct.
With subject to the High Court modification.
Correct.
I'm on the other side.
Yes.
Very well. Great.
Please, my lords, respond.
It is pending.
Please, my lords, this is that matter where my lords on the last date had put the wife.
Appoint me
The divorce had been granted by family court. The husband has remarried. There are
the girl thereafter filed the appeal, which has been allowed by the High Court, and they are in now before my lords. Lordship had
my lords
spoken
had
to her.
proposed some amount on the last date. The court had proposed.
Now, what is that, Miss?
And to agree to
My lords,
full and final.
she has to take the court. What do you want to say?
लॉर्डशिप मैं अपना शादी बचाना चाहती हूँ
ठीक है, then ma'am, what can we do?
My lords, then my lords will hear my matter.
We'll
For the reason that
we'll have to hear it.
Yes, matter will have to be heard.
now the matter will have to be heard in that event.
September में रोड दे दीजिए.
Oblige, my lords.
Thank you. We place on record. You the mic is.
I'll assist.
My lords, so in the
I'll be the
meantime,
amicus to address arguments, no problem.
my lords, in the meantime, I'm praying for the stay because what
let's
has happened.
stay
Just
can-
1 minute.
Mr.
My
Boras,
lords, I have remarried.
we know that.
Now, what is happening is that she comes to my office and she goes around, and it's the same ground of cruelty which the family court has noticed, that she's gone and spread all this in my place where I'm working. I'm an IRS officer under the state.
What do you say about
He has
this?
not gone to the office since December.
But what about state?
1 minute now.
No, what about state?
Malad, can't be a stay. Now, what the High Court has said is that you say it's a cruelty on false accusation. The trial court does not even permit her to prove the documents. For filing an amended written statement, she had to go to the High Court. Then she asked permission to lead oral evidence. She's not given that chance. She has a right to lead, and let her find out what is the finding. Which is
1 minute. One minute.
Yes.
See, what is weighing in our mind is that he's a government officer.
Yes.
See, if something unfortunately.
That as and when it happens, he can come to the court. Today there is nothing. It is only
1 minute.
Yes.
We stay the operation of the impugned order.
Malad,
1 minute.
Lordship may then hear me. Lordship may then hear me. This is going to affect it. Let us show what is the observation of the High Court which is affecting his career. There's not one observation.
I'll show that.
An officer, ma'am,
He had actually married in.
ma'am, just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Just listen to us. He's a government servant,
Yes,
correct?
right.
He has remarried.
Malad,
1 minute.
we married 2012 when our marriage was subsisting.
No problem.
That the trial court does not let me lead that evidence.
One letter to his department stating this fact itself would put him into his service.
As a matter of fact, the department and everybody, all those were already there. There is no departmental
Okay.
inquiry going on.
We'll say the just 1 minute.
Show what is the observation to the High Court.
The operative part of the judgment is stayed.
No, Malad, operative, Malad, it will be, then the divorce is deemed granted.
Operative
What is the operative portion? Lordship, may kindly have the operative portion? That
Because
the order of the trial.
he'll be he'll be out of service, man. Disciplinary proceeding.
There is a departmental inquiry started, they can come. There is nothing at the moment.
Why should
There is nothing at Malad.
I know what was there, and we'll have it in September.
Malad, Lordship may not state, Lordship may hear it.
Why?
Lordship may kindly have the operative portion. What is the operative?
Sorry,
Sorry, Malad, with the operative portion, the amount he has to deposit goes.
No.
Keep paying that.
Raja.
I keep paying that amount.
No, Malad. With the operative portion, amount he has to operate goes. The fact that the divorce which was granted was set aside goes. Malad, what is that which is going to affect him?
Okay, just 1 minute. The impugned judgment would not be given effect. Judgment decree would not be given effect to, save and except that the petitioner shall continue to pay the amount as directed to the respondent wife.
Malad, that is legalizing his second marriage.
No, it is not. It is not.
Lordship would
It is not. It is not. It is not.
Malad, Lordship Malad knows that this will never be.
No, it's coming in September.
Malad, we know that it is going to take time. Malad, Lordship, in a way, he is married in 2012.
No problem. No problem.
What the High Court says,
We will have it.
trial court doesn't do it.
September.
Ending of
September में कोई date. First week September में कोई date. हो गया मैटर. अब वो ठीक है. आप देखिए, हमने एक एडवोकेट आपको दिए हैं. आपको एक एडवोकेट दिए हैं. अब वो परस्यू कर रहे हैं.
My lords may just request. My lords may say that the impugned judgment will have no bearing on a departmental proceedings if carried out. My lord, that will save everything. Please, my lords. My lord, that's their concern. That's their concern. To that extent,
that's it.
They say will have no bearing on departmental proceedings.
It will have no effect. We'll see.
My lordship may just say that it will
no, Mr.
carried out.
No, Mr.
Well, the fact that this
Thank you.
is their marriage gets legalized.
Thank you. 28 cases.
The mediation is still.
Malad, I have filed an application for additional documents showing his previous marriage certificate. That may be taken on record.
Application allowed.
Yes, please. My application for additional.
Application allowed.
Allowed, please.
Subject to just exceptions allowed.
Well, that's all right. I can't have any objection to any applications.
The mediation is still ongoing, my lords. We are making.
Ongoing?
It's still going on.
Is in progress. Can we just come back? We'll just come back.
I have it. You can use it. It's on record. The email I downloaded even in the morning because it is there in the office that they have filed the report, but it's not the problem. Okay. But I have I'm sure what is this particular you spoke with the client?
Item 29.
My lords, please, my lord petitioner.
My lords, your lordships had appointed me as amicus on the last date of hearing.
Yes.
I filed my compliance, my lords, it's on record.
My lords, as per my instructions, the parties are still engaged in discussions and there seems to be a possibility of settlement. My lords, even in the compliance report.
My lords, I must inform your lordships. My lords, as per the Samadhan Samaro conducted.
You've seen that?
Yes, my lords.
You've seen.
So that has failed, my lords. I was unable to.
But we refer to mediation again. Never say never.
Please, my lords.
We have perused the report of the learned amicus. नाम आ जाएगा. We appreciate the efforts put in thus far by her. The respondent has requested the amicus to continue to pursue her cause. We permit her to do that. Clarifying that the role of the amicus is different than that of the counsel representing a party, which distinction the learned amicus would always keep in mind. Then we'll refer to mediation.
Please, my lords.
Mediation. The consent of the parties करिएगा.
Item 30, there's a letter circulated on behalf of the respondent number 1. There's been a bereavement in the family of the AOR of the respondent number 1. So he's circulated a letter.
Letter.
Great King Lords.
May I please, your lordship? So anticipatory bail, your lordship. The co-accused who disclosed. No, your lordship, as per my instructions, the state is here.
Because I have to take instructions on that aspect. I am appearing on advance notice, my lords. There's a preliminary objection, though, my lords. He is not stated as antecedent to the contrary, he states that there is no antecedent.
If your lordships may have the order.
Records the
withdraw.
antecedent.
No, the
For
order,
a moment.
1 minute, gentlemen. The order of the registry shouldn't have entertained this application. You withdraw this, file better particulars.
Your lordship.
On the same and subsequent.
The antecedent which was mentioned.
What we are only saying this, you have to say in your affidavit, because that's a judicial order. You have to say what your antecedents are. 1, 2, whether you are proclaimed offender or not. Simple as
just a moment.
Thank you, sir.
Requirement, please.
Much obliged. Grateful.
Please, my lords. I'm in my lordship's hands, my lords, but my lords will consider my bona fides. I've complied with the directions.
How much time?
My lords, I'm in your hands.
Now you tell us.
My lords, they've asked for 12 months in the act.
No.
6 months was the initial.
6 months was
I appreciate what's falling from my lords. My lords, I had attempted to convey that, my lords.
It's all right. 1 month more. Simple as that. 1 month.
I bow down, my lords. I'm grateful. My lords, I'm so sorry. I'd filed an application for condonation of delay.
Delays.
And my lords, my undertaking, I was directed to file it within 3 weeks of 5th February. It could not come on record. It's annexed to my application. It may be.
Undertaking annexed to the application is taken on record. We clarify that the respondent shall positively hand over the vacant and peaceful possession of the demised premises to the respondent की जगह applicant कर दिया, to the non-applicant on or before 31 दिन आज से दे दीजिएगा.
I'm so grateful, my lords.
My lords, I am appearing in item number 34. We filed the settlement agreement. The translations have also been filed.
No, you want to, but what is the translated version? I don't know.
My lords, this is on. So, my lords, there was a matter. The trial court before the trial court, the parties have
Withdraw.
agreed to withdraw, and on but yes, my lords, in settlement they have withdrawn, my
The
lords.
petition, as a Learned Council has placed on record the settlement arrived at between the parties before the trial court. The translated version of the settlement, vernacular of which is also placed on record, indicates that the proceedings stands withdrawn, proceedings with the trial court stands withdrawn. In this view of the matter, we dispose of the present petition.
My lords, grateful, man.
Despite पहले सुबह भी कोई नहीं आया था.
Sir, the matter has been settled between the parties. I wish to withdraw the present petition.
Sorry?
Sir, the matter has been settled between the parties. I wish to withdraw the present petition.
Seeks permission to withdraw the present petition for the reason that the matter stands amicably resolved by the parties.
What was the mediation had failed?
When counsel for the respondent submits that mediation has failed, it was on dash we had first we had passed. We had issued. It's only for the purposes of exploring the possibility of mediated settlement. ये 27 फरवरी का है. Dismiss.
Problem.
Who's for the respondent? Who's for the petitioner?
I am appealing for the claimants, my lord.
Petitioner, who's there?
Petitioner is the insurance company.
वो है कौन? We know that.
Mr. Mahipal.
P. Mahipal.
Online?
My lord.
Yes.
May I submit,
Yes.
my lord? My lord, I have filed a compliance affidavit, my lord, this morning only.
No problem.
And
No problem. Liability is the only issue. Come, hurry up.
Yes, my lord, kindly fix it for
Today
argument
is a
final,
good
because
day.
prior to that, my lord, on two occasions already the arguments were heard, my lord. Part heard matter. Kindly make it, my lord, on part heard in the sense I have submitted my argument, my lord, on the last date of hearing, and my lord has asked me to inquire about the payment, my lord, and respondent has said he was not aware about the payment status. That's why my lord has directed to file a compliance affidavit, my lord. So, if my lord may allow me to appear physically, my lord, otherwise it will be because final argument matter, my lord, and I'd like it would be my privilege, my lord, to appear in person, my lord.
You argue very well through video conferencing also. Come.
My lord, I'll be, I mean,
No,
I'm keen to, my lord, submit before honorable court in
issue number
person, my lord.
5 of the tribunal. Motor vehicle is there, registration is there, driving license P4 was issued.
Yeah.
Is there.
And the Honorable High Court
My
has
lord,
extensively deal with the law.
Yes. And issue number 5 has been decided.
my lord, I may be allowed to even after lunch if it can be fixed, my
No
lord. I'll
problem,
be
we
there.
have heard you.
My lord, but I'm not. I need a chance, my lord, physical hearing. It may be fixed, my lord, because I'm in Noida, my lord. I can come over there
Difficulty, sir.
at 2, my lord.
No
I'll try.
difficulty. Let us tell you, what is the total amount involved?
Amount,
Total
my
amount
lord.
कितना involved है?
In total, my lord, this is 26 lakhs 4,448, and including, my lord, because it was enhanced because there are 8 connected matters, my lord, and it was further enhanced to in 2 matters the claimants
Their
have filed an
will
appeal, my lord.
will
There is
also
a
deal with
petition
their
filed.
appeal.
So claimant, my lord, this is not the question. Claimant has filed before Honorable High Court, and it was further
Now
enhanced.
you tell us, please kindly see.
Yes, my lord.
Issue number 5 has been decided by the tribunal.
Yes,
And
my lord.
now the High Court has decided the matter,
Yes,
fixing
my
the
lord.
liability. What is wrong with the High Court? You tell us that.
My lord, honestly speaking, my lord, I need physical hearing, my lord. Kindly fix it at 2 o'clock,
no
my lord.
problem.
Even 2
No,
o'clock,
no,
I'm
no
ready.
difficulty. No difficulty.
Kindly, is it possible, my lord? Can it be fixed for tomorrow, my lord? Can it be fixed for tomorrow?
Okay. Okay. You
By
enjoy
what?
yourself. Take your family out for lunch or dinner today.
No, I am very extremely sorry, sir, because I am staying in Noida. It may
What we
take,
are
my
saying,
lord, it
enjoy
may
with
take
your
more than
family.
1.5 hours.
Tomorrow.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
अभी फाइनल हियरिंग रहते हैं क्या? कुछ हैं देखो तो चलते हैं ना 10 मिनट.
May I mention item number 31, Your Lordship? In that item, Your Lordship, I am withdrawing that my petition anticipatory bail. Your Lordship may give us, me the liberty to file it again as the other co-accused bail regular.
That is part of the order.
One thing, Your Lordship, the other co-accused bail, Your Lordship has issued notice that come in the office report. It's coming up on 27th. Your Lordship may have it on 27th along with that.
1 minute. Seeks permission to withdraw the present petition, reserving liberty to file afresh on the same and subsequent cause of action with better particulars. That's our order.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
वो सुने नहीं.
Lordship, the senior counsel is on a legs. Can you just give us a short pass over?
Okay, no problem.
102, my lord. We filed a note of submission. It's a very short point. The High Court, my lord, held that Rule 15(1)(c) of this
So Devan, you are in which matter? How much time you'll take? So honestly, we'll tell you. No, there is a one DB.
Sorry.
There is 1 DB at 2 o'clock,
No,
especially.
that's fine.
So we can discharge the board is what
Yes,
you're
you
saying
can
rather.
retain it.
Councils need not,
No problem.
need not wait.
No, my lord, kindly have my note.
Ms. Suri, we'll discharge the board. Need not wait. 101 was passed over.
103, my lord, it will take 5 minutes, my lord. Lordship has already heard, my lord. There is some urgency. Lordship has heard, my lord. Concurrent finding, your lordship.
Okay, those who don't want the matter to be heard can leave, will not be taken up, no adverse order. Those who want to be here, we are not sure after 2 o'clock we'll be sitting or not. Let's proceed. So it'll be on board only, no? That's what we said.
Today it is specific.
Next week it will come.
Next week it'll come. Ms. Makhija, which is yours? 101, they sort of pass over. It was this summons sort of pass over. No problem, we'll take it up, no difficulty. लाओ 101 ले लेते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. 101 ले लेते हैं.
This was that criminal matter of circumstantial evidence. Lordship had asked me to make a note.
Acha, oh, okay.
Your Lordship, that child witness.
Correct.
28.
Question number 51 or 54, something like that was asked.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Correct. Right.
Lordships, Abhimanyu had asked for a little time to study the matter, Your Lordships. I think he'll be here soon.
No, we know what the matter is, but we wanted the other side, na? What there?
Lordships, we've just intimated them. In the meanwhile, if I can just walk Your Lordships.
We know that actually we have a chamber matter and then it.
Yes, Your Lordships, that is why I'm not leaving the.
Mr. Bharla, you need not. We request you to have a sumptuous meal at any of the favorite places of your choice. For the day.
Your Lordship's order for me, I'm going.
For the day. But you have to take your juniors, huh?
I'll take the entire office.
Correct, yes.
Today I was planning to do that, but the weather gods are not with us today, Your Lordships.
Still raining?
It's been pouring very, very heavily. So
where is Madhya Pradesh? Thank you. All other matters will not be taken up today. Mr. ASG, not today. Not today.
Then we'll let it be on.
It will retain its position. No problem. You're number one. Who's there?
My Lord, I was in 102.
102 is my.
Not today. We have a special TV, na?
Well, listed as part of it in the.
आ जाएगा ना आप इसलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं ये इनको पार्टीज को भेजिएगा जल्दी भेज दीजिए Who's from Madhya Pradesh? We could have closed this hearing today.
Panel, but the.
No, because someone was there last time.
I am trying to. Mr. Abhimanyu Singh was there. I'll just inform him.
Oh, there he is. Abhimanyu, we had heard the matter last time.
Right, correct, my lords.
It's a case of child witness.
Child witness, my lords.
So what do you say?
My lords, there are circumstantial evidences based on which.
You see, on a circumstantial evidence, can we convict him?
My lords, three things. But just
and the child witness testimony, he says, I had only said what the inspector asked me to do. So,
my lords, there are three things which I want to bring to your lord's kind attention. First, that my lords, there is no.
Just 1 minute. इनको parties को ले जाइए ना जल्दी. We'll straight away go there. और अशर को बुला लीजिएगा. Yes. Yes.
My lords, there are three things, my lords. First of all, my lords, there is not even on the material part of the PW 28, which is the child witness, there is not even a single % breach on his statement, my lords, regarding the incident, my lords.
No, he says that मेरे को तो इंस्पेक्टर ने कहा मैंने वो बोला.
No, my lords, the point is, my lords, the 161 statement, 164 is...
161 is not what is to be seen. Huh?
Secondly, my lords, what I want to bring your lordship's attention is PW 21, which is Rajiv Singh, and PW 11, which is Ellen Mishra. Both are the police inspector, my lords. What has happened is that when they went to Kanpur to the house of the accused, at that particular point of time, they sat there for at least 6 hours, and petitioner was absconding, and he didn't came to the house as soon as he came to know the police officers were there, my lords. According to him, he portrayed the story that he was into the Bharat Brahman and he was traveling India from on that particular. My lords, after 5 years, after 5 months of as soon as his police officer went to his home, my lords, he was completely aware that police has come for what purpose they have came over there, my lords. After that 5 months, he has waited and he was absconding, and he didn't bother to get the knowledge of the children, the survivor children and the wife, and he didn't file any FIR, nothing.
So they were divorced, they were separated.
No, my lords.
from the statement,
They were separated, no?
They were never been divorced.
Separated, sorry.
My lords, they were living separately. Secondly, my lords, the rent agreement, my lords, the rent agreement and the owners, my lords, the statement is that the rent usually was being paid by the present petitioner.
It is a case, gentlemen, where 113 cannot be, 116 cannot be invoked. Cannot be invoked because they were living separately. The children were in the custody of the mother, not the father.
My lords, from the statement of
and the child witness says something.
Landover, my lords,
Okay, we'll see, we'll examine. No problem.
We'll file a written statement, my lords, in this.
Okay, written submissions within 2 days.
We'll file, Your Lordship.
You file it afresh.
We'll file it.
To file, let parties file, let learned counsel file their written submissions within 2 weeks. Within 2 days.
May I seek your lordship's liberty to mention item number 107, my lords. My lords, I'm in some personal difficulty next week. If your lordships may kindly accommodate that matter, my lords.
It'll come next week only, not.
Lords, I'm in some personal difficulty, my lords.
Next week?
Yes, my
तो
lords.
उसके बाद कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
There's another. Oh, very well, my lords.
No problem. चलिए.
Very great.
Thank you. Board discharge.
Just one mention. My lords, if my lords may allow me mention item number 9 of the regular bench, my lords.
This is not a regular bench, sir.
I deeply apologize, my lords, if my lord may change the date to 12th, my lords. It is kept for 11th, my lords. As Mr. Nathkarni is not available at that day. The opposite council is also here, my lord.
Is the opposite council here?
Please. Please, ma'am.
No problem.
Please. For the 12th.
No, just one minute. Honorable Justice मस्सी साहब से पूछ लीजिएगा उनको अगर कोई objection ना हो तो change कर लीजिए. This will be subject to confirmation by the honorable.
Please, my lords.
My lord.
Obliged.
Let's go. Huh? लिखिएगा released as part heard. We listed before appropriate bench as per directions by honorably C chair.
Milords.
Please.
Wait, please.
What is it?
This is that Muslim law matter, my lords.
Oh, the Sarkar is
No,
not
I'm
here.
here, my lord. I'm virtually.
Oh, Mr. Sarkar, how are you?
Yes, my lord. I can.
We were.
My written submissions are there, my lord, but I don't think we should be troubling your lordships, my lord, with such a longish
Okay,
matter.
okay, fair enough. Thank you. Released as part heard. Thank you, Mr. SG. Thank you, Mr. Dave.
The next one also, 303 also.
So there we are amending, but not in this session.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's it.
Yes, my lord.
Fair enough. No problem. Released as part heard. But you have, Mr. SG, we thought that was a very meaty matter. Both these matters, meaty matter for any judge to author, but my lord would have the
Yes,
privilege
my lord,
now.
we will trouble his lordship.
Yes. Thank you.
Obliged.
My lord, this is that DA matter in which my lords had given such a big, strong judgment.
We are complaining of violation of the order of the honorable.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Just let us open our report.
My lord, here about my instructions are about 7,000 crores.
1 minute, sir.
Are paid.
Just 1 minute, sir. Some report. ये दिखाए
এই কায়দা করতে গেলে
Yes, please.
Lord, here my instructions are, Lord, I have recently been engaged that approximately 7,000 crore is paid, Lord, subject to verification, and if, Lord, there is no factual dispute on the either side, my Lord.
Just
But I can give, my Lord, exact position by, my Lord, within 10 days or so.
okay.
My lords, there are a few problems.
Just wait. We'll put it to you. Do you have a copy of the report of the monitoring committee?
We have a number of monitoring committee reports.
We don't have a copy yet.
What we'll do?
We can share it with them. It's no
What-
problem.
1 minute. What we propose to do is that we'll ask the registry to supply this copy, digital form to all of you.
My lord.
And then we'll keep it next week.
Very well.
Should you wish to respond to that?
Yes.
Because
yes.
they say, the learned AG says about some money has been
partially
disbursed.
has been disbursed.
Right or wrong?
So, for instance, the employees I represent, my lords, we are many lakhs. We've not received 1 rupee, my lords.
Whatever, you may respond to it.
Yes.
We'll do that.
So grateful, my lords.
My lords, just to place it in my lords' minds, if I may, we were very hopeful when changes happened in the state of West Bengal. The trouble is that they are seeking to reopen my lord's judgments and the crux of it, which is that they are saying that their own CPI, their own committee, some calculation should be applied. We'll address my lords on that, and
But I
we'll
don't
cover
think, my
that.
Lord,
My lords, it's
my Lord,
effectively
my instructions
contemptuous.
are not, my Lord, very negative, as my learned friend, Miss Nandi, my Lord, is saying. But let me respond.
No
Let us-
problem.
let us
She was,
get the report
she was
and file our
really
objection.
happy with the change.
Mr. Bhattacharya, just 1 minute. But don't, for the time being, should you wish to respond,
Short points.
then don't file an affidavit. You may just give it to us, hand it over to us in court, so that just in case if something is required.
Very
I'll
well.
do that.
Lord, only request
Grateful.
I am making
Grateful.
is, Lord, next week I have a personal difficulty. If can be, my Lord, in a week of 17th.
No problem.
Or on 17th.
Yes.
On 7, can we have it at 18th?
Yes. Yes, my Lord, yes.
Next week you're not here, Mr.
yes.
Solicitor General?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
18th.
My lords, we may not have enough time with my lords.
No, my lord is there. Don't say that. They are not tied up to any. My lord.
Very well, my lords.
18th. Let a copy of the report of the monitoring committee. Copies of the reports, yeah? Copy of the reports submitted by the monitoring committee.
This is not as
We supplied to all the learned council within next 2 working days, as jointly paid for, based on 18th of August.
so great.
Please, sir. Oblige, Lord.
So grateful, my lords.
Thank you. So kind of you. Are you back in practice now, or what?
Always. This is the priority. Always. Always. Grateful. Grateful. Haven't missed a day, my lords. Haven't missed 1 day.
Taken, sir. Thank you.
Oblige, your Lord.
Timing to what time we'll fix the time?
My lords.
Like this 2 p.m.
Whatever suits, my lords.
So 2 o'clock.
Grateful.
Thank you. Thank you.